Today we've got another What I Eat in a Day to Lose Weight on the Eat to Live Nutritarian Diet. Thank you for tuning in. We are going to start our day with a delicious pecan SANDIE smoothie. What? We pack some cabbage, spinach, and baby kale into the Vitamix. Don't you just love getting those greens in first thing? It really sets the tone. Some pears, frozen banana, toasted pecans, ground flaxseed, vanilla powder, and water. Lastly, we throw in some cinnamon and cardamom and whirl these around. It's a gorgeous and tasty way to start the day. Okay, on to lunch. I don't know about you, but I love all things Mexican, especially my husband. So today we have a Mexis salsa salad for lunch. We start with a small head of romaine lettuce that we will shred up by hand. We add some kale, some arugula, and this is the base of our salad. The unexpected step is to toss the greens with some salt-free chili seasoning. We're going to throw in some cauliflower rice, corn, and green onions, now some black beans, unfortified nutritional yeast, and some dollops of mild and medium salsa, whatever kind you like. We top this off with a little bit of avocado, and ole! Lunch is served. Now on to dinner. It's a simple mushroom stir fry with greens. Earlier, we put these portobello mushrooms in a mixture of coconut aminos, balsamic vinegar, water, and onion, and garlic powder. We put this in the refrigerator for the flavor to get soaked up into the mushrooms and marinate a little bit. You want to do this for at least 20 to 30 minutes if you can, but don't stress if you don't have the time. It's still going to be lovely without the marinating time. Now we're ready to fix the veggies, onions, and red pepper, and add some broccoli. We're going to add the marinade and then slice the mushrooms and add to this to cook through. We will serve this on a bed of raw spinach, so we'll chop this up to make it even easier to eat. And to serve, just pile the veggies on top of the spinach and enjoy. A full day of nutritarian eating, woohoo! Hello there. Look at this setup and this awesome mic. Because guess what? I'm about to launch a podcast. Just so you know, we're going to talk about that later. Today, I just want to talk about this What I Eat in a Day set of meals. Nancy has created some amazing deliciousness. I hope these look awesome to you. Let me know if you have tried any of these or you love any of these already. Let us know down in the comments below what you think about these recipes. Do you have any suggestions for how you might improve anything or other recipes that you love? Let us know and let's share. Okay, the other thing I want to tell you is, guess what? Right now, at the time of publish of this video, we are having a flash sale of all our previous 21-day challenges. Our 21-day Eat to Live challenges are 21 days of recipes, grocery lists, meal plans, prep instructions to tell you exactly what to make and when for 21 days. Just like this What I Eat in a Day video, but 21 days of this amazingness. So you can learn the rhythm of the Eat to Live lifestyle. So guess what? What's happening is we're doing a flash sale. I never put these challenges on sale after the challenge is done, like maybe only once or twice a year. So right now you can get these challenges at more than half off. So lots of people like to stock up on these while they can because they know I only do this every 6 to 12 months. And so you get an amazing set of recipes. But the best part about these challenges is the way that we lay out everything for you so you never have an overwhelming amount of work. Like a lot of people, some people like to do prep all at once, but we're going to show you how to do just a little bit of prep every day so you can eat to live and not have to feel overwhelmed about doing it at the same time. Okay, so that's the beauty of these Eat to Live challenges, especially if you're a beginner. It's going to give you an amount of knowledge that might take you a year, 2, 3 years to learn if you weren't following along with the challenge. So consider picking up at least one or several of these 21-day challenges and learn a bunch of new recipes, new ingredients maybe you've never used before. So down below, you get not only the recipes to this particular What I Eat in a Day, the pecan SANDIE smoothie, the salsa salad, and the stir fry that we have, but there's also a link down below for the flash sale. You just go to thewateringmouth.com/shop and we'll have all the challenges in there ready for you to buy whenever you're ready to get those. But guess what? It's only for another day or two by the time we publish this video. So you got to get in on it and get some of those 21-day challenges. We would love to talk about them and have you try them out as well. You can participate doing the challenges all together in the high nutrient lifestyle group if you want, or I know some of the folks in the Eat to Live family are doing them together as well. So hope to see you pick some of those up, and we will see you in the next video. Remember, I said recipes are down below, so get these recipes and pick up one of those 21-day Eat to Live challenges. See you in the next video. Bye!